Imagine a place where the ancient and the modern coexist, where the wilderness meets civilization, where the sea kisses the land. Welcome to Belize. This Central American gem is a kaleidoscope of cultural influences, boasting a diverse blend of Maya, Creole, Mestizo, and Garifuna cultures, each with its own distinct traditions and customs. Belize's rich history is etched into its ancient Mayan ruins, whispering tales of a time long past. But Belize is more than just a history lesson. It's a natural wonderland with lush rainforests, crystal clear waters, and a bounty of exotic wildlife. Whether you're an adventurer seeking thrill in the wilderness, a history buff drawn to its ancient past, or a beach lover looking for a tropical paradise, Belize offers a unique charm that caters to every taste. Now let's dive into the top 5 places you must visit in this tropical paradise. Starting our countdown at number 5, we have the Great Blue Hole. This captivating underwater sinkhole is an unmissable spectacle for diving enthusiasts. Its formation dates back to the last ice age, making it a fascinating portal into our planet's history. Its unique features include stalactites, stalagmites, and a myriad of marine life that add to its allure. For those seeking an underwater adventure, the Great Blue Hole offers unparalleled diving experiences. This natural wonder is a sight to behold, an experience to be remembered. At number 4, we step back in time with the Ancient Mayan Ruins. These ruins, steeped in history and grandeur, are a testament to a civilization that thrived here centuries ago. The architectural beauty of these structures is a sight to behold, with intricately carved stones telling tales of a bygone era. As you explore these ruins, you'll experience a unique blend of awe and wonder, feeling the pulse of an ancient culture. A visit to these ancient ruins is like stepping into a time machine, a journey back to an ancient civilization. Coming in at number 3, we have the Cockscomb Basin Wildlife Sanctuary. This marvelous haven, cradled amidst the verdant hills of Belize, is an absolute spectacle of Mother Nature's grandeur. The sanctuary, sprawling over an expanse of 150 square miles, is teeming with a rich diversity of flora and fauna. From the elusive jaguar to the vibrant keel-billed toucan, the sanctuary is a treasure trove of exotic wildlife. Beyond the wildlife, the sanctuary is also home to a kaleidoscope of tropical plants, each more fascinating than the last. It's a place where every rustle whispers a tale, every scent tells a story, and every sight is a masterpiece painted by nature herself. Strolling through the sanctuary, you can't help but marvel at the intricate tapestry of life that thrives in this protected paradise. It's a must-visit for nature lovers, an enchanting journey through the heart of Belize's untamed wilderness. This sanctuary is a testament to Belize's commitment to conservation, a paradise for nature lovers. Just missing the top spot at number 2, we have Ambergris Caye. Picture a place where the sun kisses the ocean, a place that embodies tranquility and serenity like no other. That's Ambergris Caye for you. This gem is Belize's largest island, offering a tropical haven for beach aficionados. Now let's talk about the beaches. They are pristine, with white sands that feel like powdered sugar under your feet. The clear turquoise waters invite you for a swim, while the gentle sea breeze whispers tales of the Caribbean. You can laze on the beach, soaking up the sun, or partake in an array of water activities like snorkeling and diving. But the beauty of Ambergris Caye isn't just in its beaches. The island is a vibrant mix of natural beauty and local culture, the friendly locals, the delicious Belizean cuisine, the laid-back lifestyle. Everything about Ambergris Caye is enchanting. Ambergris Caye is a slice of heaven on earth, a paradise for beach lovers. And finally, at number 1, we have the Belize Barrier Reef. This astonishing natural wonder is the second largest reef system in the world, and it's right here in the crystal clear waters of Belize. Imagine a magical underwater world teeming with vibrant marine life where every color of the rainbow dances before your eyes. From the delicate fronds of coral to the playful dolphins and majestic sea turtles, the Belize Barrier Reef is a paradise for snorkeling and diving enthusiasts. It's not just about the marine life, though. The reef itself is a breathtaking spectacle, an underwater landscape of coral formations that will leave you in awe. Whether you're an experienced diver or trying snorkeling for the first time, the Belize Barrier Reef offers an unforgettable experience. The stunning beauty, the rich marine life, the thrill of exploration, it's all here, waiting for you. The Belize Barrier Reef is a testament to the natural beauty of Belize, a must-visit for everyone.